Well, this is the part 2 continuation of the rear view mirror install. I found the other piece, so put that back in there. Basically take out the screw and then put the metal things inside on the sides, and then you screw it on from the top, and that's pretty much it. So this part is actually now going back up top, and I probably won't be able to do this one-handedly. Actually, let's see my skills here. Oh, come on. There we go. We're in. And just like that. And the 4 screws, I noticed, are actually a little bit different in color and thread. Yeah, there's two of each. But putting that back up in there, putting the cover back on, and the plastic clip, that sucker. Should be all set. Thank you for watching.